So we've arrived in Bonnie Doon and we're gonna get on the trail and ride all the way into Mansfield and back today. It's all up, it should be about 50 or so kilometres. Riding with my parents again today, so they're just up ahead on their pedal assist e-bikes. Mansfield, 21 kilometres. Just passing through Redfern's cutting. Some pretty steep banks either side. This is the bridge over Lake Eildon. We are over the bridge. Pretty decent old hills out there. My favourite lane. 11 kilometres to Mansfield. So be 24 kilometres all up to get there. Going over Owens Creek. So this is the old railway station at Mansfield. I don't think we'll be catching any trains at it today. It's one of the old carriages in the station. One of the things I thought was kind of interesting is this bit here with these rollers they used to use to transport the coffins in. And then the bottom bit is where they used to keep luggage and a couple dogs. A little bit of a ride up on it there. Well, we've just finished having a coffee and some lunch, and now we're going to head on into Mansfield, the actual town.
10 seconds later.
Well, I've just taken the back streets out of Mansfield, and I must say I'm pretty glad to actually get out of Mansfield because it was really busy. It's the Easter break, so everybody's going mad for the holidays. But I've just come across this big old chimney stack. 1948. That's pretty cool. There's the old water tower where they would have filled the train up from. Pretty darn bumpy. Farewell from Mansfield. Well, I guess that's it. We're out of Mansfield and we've got 21 kilometres to go to get back to Bonnie Doon. About to pass under the 5G tower. It's about to cross over a bridge. There's a few remnants of the old railway bridge there as well. Not a bad view out through there. Pretty decent bank inside. Wind sure is blowing hard through here. Just about to go back over the bridge at Bonnie Doon. Not much water in the lake. We are back over the bridge. Well, just coming back up to the van. All up, we've done just over 48 kilometres. So not a bad little ride. But I'll hurry up, I'll get to the van, load the bike up, and that'll be the end of the video. And if you've enjoyed today's video, then please subscribe and join the adventure at ARB Overland. Shut the gate! Now that's how you ride a bike. How's my hair look? That sign there means speed. Oh yeah. Thou shalt not pass. Is that on there? Get that cobweb off the camera. Another one over my face.